Have you ever laid down at night and thought to yourself, did I turn off the TV downstairs? Have you ever left the house and wondered, I really hope that I unplugged all of my curling irons and straighteners? This happens much more often than we think. Not only is this hurting our pockets when we go to pay our electric bill, but it is also impairing the sustainability related to the environment. Since most of us are eager to help make a difference, why not start at home? If we can start with small changes from the inside of our home, it will be easier to tackle larger challenges related to helping improve our planet. My entire life, I've always told to turn off the lights when I left a room, or turn off the water while brushing your teeth. When I was younger, I felt as though it was just my parents nagging me. However, now that I'm older and more in tune with wanting to help the environment, I see exactly why they wanted to instill those positive behaviors into my life. Promoting sustainability at home is a simple thing to do that not only helps our environment, but also helps bring down utility bills. In my speech today, I will be discussing simple tips on how to conserve energy while lowering your energy bill, how much money you save by ensuring you have proper window and door seals, and how having your television or other electronics plugged into the wall may be costing you money without you even knowing it. There are many ways that you can conserve energy at home, and today I would like to discuss with you the most simple of ways, by turning off all lights when leaving a room. According to a study done by We Energies in 2013, it is estimated that you can save 12% annually on your energy bill when you turn the lights off when leaving a room. It will be difficult transition at first. However, if we make a conscious effort to turn off lights when we leave a room, not only will our wallets thank us, but so will our planet. Most people learn better by positive reinforcement. If you treat your family as well as yourself while trying to make these changes to be more energy efficient, you just may surprise yourself. Have you ever heard the myth that it takes more energy to turn a light on and off than it does to leave it on all day? Well, I'm here to just bust that myth for you. According to the scientist Peter Seligman, and the study that he did in 2017, that myth was from when people used fluorescent tube lights that were wildly expensive, and it truly did take more energy to flip one of those lights on than to keep it on all day. In today's day and age, our light bulbs are so efficient that by turning a light on and off, it costs no more extra money than it does to leave it off all day. Whether it is turning off a light when leaving a room or improving your doors and window seals to help keep the cool in and the heat out, especially in Ohio's summer, we can all make small changes that lead to a bigger picture. Inefficient window and door seals can lead to the escape of air or heat, which to me equates to money actually flying out the window. According to Duke Energy, you can save close to 10% annually on your bill by ensuring that you have proper seals surrounding your windows and doors. 10% may not sound like a big number, but let's take a look at a typical energy bill. Let's say that we spend $135 each month just for energy. Now let's take 135 times 12 months, and that equals $1,620 per year. 10% of that is $162. I don't know about you, but I could do a lot with $162. You do not have to hire someone expensive to reseal your doors and windows. In fact, this can be a fun do-it-yourself project. Lowe's and Home Depot offer do-it-yourself tutorials on how to properly seal your doors and windows. If you choose not to hire someone, think about how much money you will save and how accomplished you will feel of having to look at your doors and windows and say, I did that. If you aren't a do-it-yourself person, much like myself, then make sure that you hire someone that you trust and who you know will do quality work. The better seal you provide for your home, the less air can escape. Another positive thing about having proper seals on your doors and windows is not allowing bugs and critters to crawl in throughout the night. Many people can feel the money actually leaving their pockets when children leave the door open after running out the back door, or when they have a window open when the air conditioning is on. But have you ever thought about how much money you actually spend by having your electronics plugged in all day? Many people do not know that having electronics plugged in, even when not in use, still require wattage, which means electricity that's coming from somewhere. Even on standby mode, gaming consoles, televisions, and DVD players require wattage just to keep their little red lights on that tell us that it's turned off. One way to help manage the waste of this electricity is to unplug the electronics after you are done with them. Another, more easy way would be to plug all of those electronics into a power strip, and at the end of each use, flip the power cord to off. And voila, you have just saved yourself some money. Using power cords doesn't have to only be for electronics. We can use them for kitchen appliances, phone chargers, garage tools, and so much more. We can use them for kitchen appliances such as a coffee machine. Have you ever thought how many people leave their coffee machine plugged in all day even though they only use it once or twice in the morning? Something as simple as that should be unplugged in between every use. With so many options on how to conserve energy, I hope that there is at least one piece of information that you can apply to your own lives. I hope that you enjoyed my speech today that discussed simple tips on how to conserve energy while lowering your energy bill, how much money you save by ensuring you have proper window and door seals, and even how having a television and gaming console plugged into the wall may be costing you money without you even knowing it. Promoting sustainability at home is a simple thing to do that not only helps our environment, but also helps bring down our utility bills. Being conscious of the environment and what resources we are using is a big step in the right direction. If everyone turned off a light after leaving a room, just imagine the impact that we could have on this beautiful planet.